Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshiaki from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. And also I made the same shooting, same cut, a different cut, different shot. Some kind of oil paint like image the other day, and this time colorize and make it something interesting or illustration type image from this. I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges, which is good. Yeah, did a good job on Photoshop. Okay. Now I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image off, and I'm not going to smudge this time. I want to use this straight shot. Then, colorize first, and maybe paint some background light, or I did key light the other day, different shot. Let's try colorize first, then add some colors or changing lighting or something like that. Okay, I'm gonna add layer for color, so I'm gonna change the blend mode to color first, and I'm gonna paint on this with our brushing group, medium blend. Let's see, we're gonna have some reference from the different shot which I shot color the other day, and this is gonna be the reference. I don't know if I'm gonna just I may change the color, and okay, now I go for purple color. I don't know if I maybe warm gray, huh? Yeah, warm gray is nice, I think. Just kind of natural. Okay, this is color layer, right? It just colorized on this layer. I'm gonna add another layer over this layer. Then I'm gonna add paint, just normal blend mode. Like add some same brush, some little bit reddish, real thin cheek. once you change the color blend mode, if it doesn't not much density, it can't colorize. So I gotta change blend mode normal, then paint on color. Now again using this layer for skin tone. I think he did makeup himself, so I'm gonna add some colors like the lips. I'm using a eraser tool, same medium blend. Once you put the pinkish color on the eyes, suddenly it looks like eyes. Nice. Well, so far so good. Turning color photo. Okay, go for the hair. Japanese flag, kamikaze. I gotta go back and forth. This is color blend mode, and just add this one is normal blend mode. Add paint here or add color on here. So I'm painting now. It's colorize, orangish. Then no density on here. So I just put paint. Okay, you see there's no density here, so it doesn't go over color blend mode. So I'm gonna paint on this like light pink. Then some place has density on it. Then put here the shadow size, turn into pink, and then we have pink on white area. Okay, almost for these guys on this color layer. Overall scene. Now I will try. I'm gonna add another layer for key light. I made key light from orange key light from behind, but this time, well, go from top, maybe, yeah, top light, maybe. Okay, I'm gonna add luminance light pen. This is pretty interesting. Wow, this is for light pen, for key light. Okay, I see this pencil drawing type image. Let's see, make it kind of fun. Yeah, I like this. Luminosity 90%. Color burns fine too. Okay, let me see. This pencil drawing type image. Well, change blend mode to like luminosity. I like this color and pencil drawing type image effect, so I want to use this. Then I'm gonna, well, okay, how about, let's see, this effect, I like this, so I'm gonna make this one group. This one is group, new group. Okay, duplicate this layer, then rename this name. Group is luminosity max. This is this image. Now I'm gonna make this one flatten. Luminosity max image is this, right? Flatten. Oops. Rename now. Okay, this is the luminosity max. Then I'm gonna, well, let's see. If I use darken, let's see. Well, oh well, because luminosity 100 here. So I'm gonna turn this one off. This is again different expression. Look at this, kinda neat. Yeah. Well, turn this one off now. Luminosity max, layer, turn this one off so we only have color based image. Just add linear burn of this image. That will make something interesting. Let me see others. Wow, new finding. This is cool. Yeah, I like this color burn. Color burn. Well, I think I can make variations from these images. Like, let's see. One is just using color burn. Okay, make mask on this. Okay, this is, okay, I gotta change name first. Now I have color burn. Okay, rename color burn. Then this one is luminosity max. Okay, now make a mask on this luminosity max. Make mask. Counting. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is okay. Well, this is pretty good. Now select twice. Canvas size, resize, cropping. Like so. Well, okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, so much to do, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.